Hello, my name's Adam. Welcome to UK Theme Parks today. We are staying local to give you an update from Funland in Hayling Island. So we're going to have a quick look around the site. We can get a little bit close and you can see what's going on. Obviously, there's a lot of investment going on down at Southsea, which is over that direction. That investment includes a new roller coaster for 2019. In fact, 2 new roller coasters for 2019, and I'm sure some other little surprises as well, including a LED update to their waltzer, and their full enclosed twister will be ready as well. So there's a lot going on down there. So what have Hayling got to bring? Well, let's see if we can go and find out. So from here, the mine ride, as you probably saw in the background just then. No cars on it at the moment. You'll see the cars will go around the corner. They're currently not on the track. In the background over there, you'll see Neptune's Fury. Now, Neptune's Fury has actually been completely dismantled this year. We don't remember it being completely dismantled last year. But this year, all the platforms around here. So there's this mag. I quite like this coaster. I know people don't tend to like this one, but I really, really enjoy it. So, no cars, as you can see in there. And then just here's one of the platforms for Neptune's Fury. Now this is it's a strange ride because it's a bit like a waltzer, but it's not really a waltzer. It's more of a twister whirl kind of ride, and it does grind along the bottom. It's really frustrating that once you've got some weight in it, it's really, really bad. And just grinds. But here's one of the platforms. We believe these are the other ones just over here. So totally stripped down. Welcome to Funland. Well, as we know, the park's closed at the moment. Got one of the cars just here. So one of the mine cars is just here, and you can see over the back of Neptune's Fury has been completely dismantled. As far as we're aware, the park is open for February half term. Quite sure it's open for February half term, so not got long to put that one back together. You'll see there, we will have another look around the side, that the teacups, which were rumoured to potentially be leaving, look like they've actually been put back together, which is great news, one of our favourite rides. And of course the mine ride there. It's what I really love about Funland, is the fact you can get close to all of this, which, you know, parks just don't allow you to do very often. Even touch it. So teacups in the background have indeed been put back together. We've got a little bit of equipment there. And of course the Miami is folded up for winter. Now last time we came, this was just sort of an empty shell, just the blue. Actually looks like it's been painted. I think I could smell paint as well. Looks certainly a lot fresher than what it did. It's starting to be put back together now. Classic retro Cyclone twister, super Cyclone twister. So it definitely looks like that's being put back together. There's the front of the Miami. Obviously we wouldn't expect a lot to happen on the slide. The slide's been covered up so they don't get damaged. And of course last year's new ride, the little rocking tug. And then we're actually open. We're obviously not going to walk in there because we shouldn't be walking in there. They'll be doing some work. But you can see the cars for the kids ride. And you can see indeed the Neptune's Fury ones over the back there as well. So the kids' rides look ready to go. Carousel looks ready to go. The balloons still undergoing some maintenance over here. Indeed the frog hopper as well looks ready to go. Balloons have had their tops taken off. Mini log flume, the boats remain inside. Of course, we can't see inside the Jurassic Safari. I'd imagine all the maintenance work goes on site in there. And of course, the Funland coaster, Fundasaurus, was open for the winter period with the kids' rides. That is now nowhere to be seen. Last time it was around here, but I think that's currently being worked on around the corner. What you may notice here is the Wimpy sign's been turned around. As eagerly spotted, it is now Dianes Diner. So we're going to have a quick look inside. It's got some old rides on the wall. I'm going to have a quick look inside, see what we can see for that. Gone for some quality stickers there. Well, so this is what the park used to look like. I think this is even before my time. The kids' play area. Look at those jets. Well, that shows that the Welcome Carousel part hasn't been updated in ages, because that still looks exactly the same. So that's Funland. That's a quick look around Funland at Hayling Island. One of our favourite places to visit, and we still proclaim it is one of the best value places to visit as well. It doesn't look like there's going to be anything new for this year, which is a bit of a shame. We were hoping for a new thrill ride in. We were hoping for the Miami to be replaced, or even the Cyclone, because they're not great rides, to be honest with you. They're really not great rides compared to what they used to have here. However, the changes in the diner, I mean, we were down there a couple of weeks ago taking pictures. It's gone from Wimpy to Diane's Diner really quickly. Did you see something we didn't see? Leave your comments below. Let us know what you think. Have you been down to Funland, Hayling Island? We'd love to know. It's our local park, kind of our local seaside park. Our local park is obviously big theme park wise, it's a bit further afield. But drop a like, let us know what you think. Be sure to leave your comments. My name's Adam, it's been UK Theme Parks, and we'll see you next time.